The British Indian coins were issued in the name of 5 kings and queens. They are William IV, Queen Victoria, Edward VII, George V, and George VI. In this video, we'll talk about the George V King silver coins and their market price. Before we start, please make sure have subscribed to our channel with the bell icon pressed. King George V, his actual name was George Frederick Ernest Albert, who was the son of Edward VII and Queen Alexandra. He looks similar to his father. He was born during the reign of his grandmother, Queen Victoria. George was third in the line of succession behind his father Prince Albert Edward and his elder brother Prince Albert Victor. From 1877 to 1891, George served in the Royal Navy. He lived a life as ordinary as it could get for a royal and spent his time collecting stamps. As the second son of King Edward VII, he was second in the line and unlucky to succeed to the throne. But fate has some other plans. An unexpected and early death of his elder brother in 1892 put George directly in the line for the throne. As the Prince of Wales, George was educated in the state affairs, preparing him for his future role as the king. After the death of King Edward VII, George ascended to the throne on 1910 and was crowned on 1911. The newly crowned king, George V, was the king of the United Kingdom and the British Dominions and Emperor of India until his death in 1936. His reign saw the rise of socialism, communism, fascism, and Indian independence movements like Champaran Satyagraha, Khera Satyagraha, non-cooperation movements, Mopla Rebellion, Civil Disobedience Movement, Dandi March, Roundtable Conferences, and Jallianwala Bagh massacres. Burma separation takes place in his reign. The Great Victoria Memorial, which was built in the memory of his grandmother in Kolkata in his tenure. King George V and his wife Queen Mary visited India in 1911, the only monarch to do so as King Emperor. With the increase in price of silver during the First World War, his reign saw introduction of new base metal coins to join the earlier issues in copper, bronze, silver and gold. The coins were minted with the effigy of King George V on penny, pence, shilling, florin, crown and sovereigns. During his reign, the coins issued for use in Commonwealth and had different denominations. As for example, in India, coins were issued in the denominations of 1 rupee, half rupee, quarter rupee, 2 anna, 1/12 anna, quarter anna, 1 anna, 2 anna, 4 anna and 8 anna. But in this video, we will talk about only the silver ones, that is 1 rupee, and the 1 rupee has 3 more babies. They are half rupee, quarter rupee and 2 anna. They are full silver in nature and weights 11.6 gram, 5.8 gram, 2.9 gram and 1.4 gram respectively. These silver coins were introduced in his time, similar reverse figure as George VI Kings. On the obverse side of these coins within circle, date divides legend in English, that is 1 rupee, and Urdu, that is 1 rupiah. Outside circle wreath made of roses, thistle, shamrock leaves and lotus flower, all within a tooth border. Mint mark is printed below the lotus flower. It's a very small dot which represent it was minted in Mumbai. If there is no dot, that means it minted in Kolkata. And these coins have reeded edges. On the reverse side, left facing King George V's portrait, surrounded by his name, George V King Emperor. These silver coins were first minted in 1911 until 1936. That particular year coin, that is 1911, are known as pig rupee coins. The question is why so named? In an attempt of fitting an elephant on small coins, the trunk of the elephant was shortened. Its legs made stout and body fatter. The trunk ended up like a pig's snout. The elephant that was to add on the king's robe now looked like a pig. Such coins came to be known as pig coin. This thing offended the religious sensibilities of many, so most of the coins minted for 1911 were withheld from circulation and later melted. From 1912 onwards, the coins had a redesigned elephant. These pig rupee coins of all denominations are very rare as they contain a value of around 5 to 8,000 Indian rupees, or approximate 100 US dollars each, and the other year coins are 1 to 2000 maximum as per their grade. Half rupee, quarter rupee and 2 annas are similar to 1 rupee, just their denomination, size and weight varies. Hope this information will help you to gather knowledge about these coins, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up.